We'll guide you through how to delete a page in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF that I want to go and delete a page from. Whether it's one or multiple, it doesn't matter. Perhaps you've been working on one and you've now decided there's a certain page you don't need, and so you want to go and delete and remove it before going and submitting it, or just going and doing something with it, or just you don't need it there anymore. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how it's done. So to get started, let's go and open it up. So I went and double clicked on it and it went opened up in Adobe Acrobat. That's what we're going to be using for this video. Now it is important to know I do have the pro version of this, which is a subscription. So that's important to know. So I can scroll through here and see there are some different pages, and I want to go and delete one of them or multiple. As I said, it doesn't matter. So when you go and have it open, what we can then do is go and view the different pages in the document. So what you need to do is you want to come over to the right and you're going to see these different options. And at the bottom, you've got this page looking like icon. So you want to go and click there, and this then goes and opens up, and you're going to go and see the different pages. So it gives you a good overview of it. And in fact, you can actually go and make this smaller if you want to go and get them, see them all at once. And you can go make them bigger as well if you want to go and see a bit more detail. But of course, you can go and see the part you're currently viewing and the page you're currently on because it's highlighted. So that's really useful as well. So to go and delete a page, what you need to do is decide the one you want to delete, and you want to go and have it selected. And with it selected, you go to the right and you see these different options. You've got rotate, but you've got this trash can icon. So you can actually go and click there, and it then says, are you sure you want to delete the page from the document? And you can go and press OK. And that's it. Now, what you can then do is we can go and save this by pressing Control S, and that will then go and save it. If you're on a Mac, you press Command S. Then, just to go and show you that we've successfully gone and done this, we can go and close it. And then what we can do is go and open it again. So here it is. It went and moved, but it's the same one. It's called Video Combined. I'm going to go and double click on it. I can scroll down, and you're going to go and see it's now only 3 pages. If we come over to the right again and I go and press on the pages button, you can see it's just the 3 here. Of course, you can go and delete more as well. I just did one there for the guide. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos. Feel free to put any suggestions down below as well. Have a great day, and I look forward to help you again with another how-to in the future.